Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and thank you so much for joining me today for another one of my sketchbook videos. This week's sketchbook spread was filled up with a couple of pen and ink studies of two different flowers. I searched for reference pictures of two different types of flowers, and then I went ahead and recreated them in my own pen and ink style. In terms of the alternative shading techniques that I used once I switched on over to my pen and ink, I mainly use contour lines, cross contour lines, and some scribbling. If you're just getting started with pen and ink yourself, or you want to learn more about alternative shading techniques, I'm going to be leaving a couple of links to blog posts / YouTube videos that I've shared in the past down below in the description box of this video for you in case you'd like to go and check them out. And once I arrived at a point at which I liked the way that I had developed my different values as well as my textures throughout the flowers, I added some background color using blue and yellow gouache. I find flowers so challenging to draw and paint with their overlapping petals and their irregular shapes. But I've seen a ton of growth since I've started working on them more frequently, and I definitely do plan on continuing to develop my skills when it comes to drawing and painting botanicals. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna leave you to hopefully enjoy and get inspired with the rest of this time lapse. All of the supplies that I'm using to create these flower studies will be left down below for you in the description box as well. And of course, if this is your first time here at my channel, do consider subscribing because every single week I share new videos with art tips, drawing and painting tutorials, and encouragement for aspiring artists. Enjoy, you guys. Alright, you guys, that is it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it inspiring. Thank you guys so very much for watching today. I really do appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, please, please, please make sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channel out. If you have any questions or comments for me, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so that I can see you in the next one, and I'm gonna leave a few cool videos for you right here that you can check out next. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day and talk to you soon.